Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I will be doing another unexpected Louis Vuitton unboxing, and this item is part of the Chapter 2 Takashi Murakami Cherry Blossom collection. And wow, I did not expect that this piece arrived sooner than I anticipated. That's because when I placed the order, I was told that the earliest date that they could fulfill this, it will be on June. And I said, so this is a limited edition piece and the 20th anniversary collaboration with Louis Vuitton and Takashi Murakami. And I said, well, I am willing to wait. So anyway, she is here. So I actually picked this up in our flagship store. So I opt into picking up in the store for the reason that hopefully I could get the full packaging, the ribbon, the tag, and the shopping bag as well. So all of those were actually included when I went to pick it up. Look at that. And the box that came in with, I don't know, for some reason the box is heavy. So anyway, let me show you the item that I've got here. Wow, this one is so pretty. We have the onion head tag over here, very nice. And then we have the ribbon, of course. And so this is a true unboxing, guys. All right, here comes the new addition to my collection. So, oh my gosh, wow, 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 wow. She is stunningly beautiful. Look at that. Very nice. Wow. And I can already smell the fresh leather in it. Beautiful. So let me just take out some of the stuffing inside, and I think this one, yeah, this is actually what they showed me. So they put it in a bag. So okay, so I'm gonna go over on this later on. So let's just take a look at the beautiful, beautiful Speedy Bandouliere 25. So this one is made up of classic monogram canvas with this beautiful cherry blossoms motifs around it. As you guys can see, those beautiful print, those beautiful pattern. The cherry blossoms are scattered around it. So we have flowers around here on the side, right there, and then right here on this side we have the smiley cherry blossom in different sizes. So we have here the largest one, and then the smallest one is right here at the top, right there, and then we also have those petals scattered around. And looking at it right now, the colors are so vibrant. It is so beautiful. Wow. And then the other side as well, it also has those beautiful cherry blossom as well. Very nice. And then let's take a look at the other side as well. The other side, it has the same pattern as well, right here. And then this piece is actually made up of one continuous piece of canvas. As you guys could see, the monogram is upside down. However, the blossoms are not. So beautiful. Look at the detail of all the smiley faces around. Very nice, lovely combination. So this one has two handles right here, also known as a Toron handle, and it's made up of untreated cowhide leather. Right here, it is so white right here. Oh my gosh, it's been a while that I haven't seen this vacchetta right here. Wow, fresh and new. And then this handle right here is actually, we have some stitching right here over here, which is actually made up of this mustard color stitching that runs from this corner towards the other side. And then on the other side, we have a glazing around here. It seems that the glazing is shiny though, and the color seems to look like it has a little bit of an orange undertone to it. That's what I'm seeing right now. And the glazing were sealed with some sort of like a white protective film, like a colorless white protective film, because it's very, very shiny, as you guys could see right there. Very shiny. And then let's take a look at the shapes. So the shapes is made up of cowhide leather as well, the vacchetta leather, and then very lovely combination. It looks great with the classic monogram though. This handle, this vacchetta really stood out, and it has, the rivets are in gold hardware right here. The ring is also made up in a very, very high polished gold. Very shiny. All right. Very nice. Oh my gosh, I'm sweating. I don't want to touch the handle because I don't want to stain it. I am sweating, literally sweating. Oh my gosh, I can't believe it. So let's take a look at the side of this right here. So the side actually is made, we have the piping over here, which is also made up of vacchetta leather as well. And it seems that it was done nicely. I mean, right here, sometimes it's a little bit distorted. I must admit that some of my previous purchases, especially the Speedy, some of the sides were not perfectly done. It seems that the sides are proportionate. All right. And it also has this D-ring right here, which is made up of a gold hardware as well. Very shiny. So this one has a tab right here. I don't know when they first introduced this tab right here, because the old traditional Speedy Bandouliere, it has those long leather right here on the side corner. But I don't know what year they had a revamp on this. I don't remember like that. And I still like the old ones though, like the full leather right here on the side. Okay, let's take a look at the other side as well, right there. And it seems that the piping are perfectly done. Very nice. And then we also have this D-ring as well over here. Oh my gosh, I am literally sweating, guys. So let's move on to the interior, but first let's take a look at the zipper. The zipper, we have double zipper right here. So you guys can see it is very, very shiny as well. And for some reason, the teeth are also shiny as well. And then let's open this. And then this is how it looks inside. Wow. Look at those beautiful pink microfiber lining, guys. Wow, it looks absolutely stunning. Very nice. Wow. Very lovely. Look at that. It's very soft. Very, very soft and supple. And then it also has a pocket right here on the side. This one has no zipper at all. It's just like a slip pocket. And on this side, we have a leather patch, which is also made up of a vacchetta leather as well. And it says 20-year anniversary celebration, Louis Vuitton x Murakami, made in France, right there, in a blind stamp, and I really love the debossing in it because it looks so deep and you could literally see everything clearly. So look at the characters right there, especially those characters. We have the cherry blossom, the super flat panda, the cherry, and the flower hat man. Very nice. This is another reason that I got this. It's because of that stamp inside as well. 20 years anniversary. That is amazing. I don't know when would be the next one. Even though I was told that this item will arrive later in June, guys, I am willing to wait. I don't know when would be the next collaboration for Murakami. I don't know, maybe in the next 20 years or so. I don't know how old I'm gonna be on that time. But anyway, this is such a beautiful, beautiful collector's piece. Okay, and let's move on to the strap. So this one is the strap. All right, so they actually put this in a bag. So it came in with a strap, and this is really more of like a shoulder strap. So this one is not adjustable, and it's made up of vaqueta leather as well. As you guys could see, the glazing, it's very shiny, and I was trying to feel it, and yeah, I think they put some sort of like a protective film in it, and it looks very, very shiny. And yeah, and then it has a gold hardware as well. I don't know why they have stopped including the long adjustable strap. I have no idea, but this one is okay though. I really wanted to get the long one so I could use, if I wanted to use it as a crossbody as well. So this is the strap right here, and then next, well, this is a dust bag for the lock and key. So I have the padlock and the key over here, which I'm pretty sure this is in gold hardware. All right, so we have that over here, and this is the charm. Oh my gosh, this is my all-time favorite ever, and another reason why I wanted this Speedy right here. Look at that, the combination of the baby pink, and we also have a fuchsia pink over here, smiley face. Look at that. Lovely combination, beautiful, beautiful combination. And then it also has this strap over here where you can attach in the bag. Let's take a look at the back. It says Louis Vuitton Paris right there, and you can see the stitching at the back, and it seems that the stitching for this looks great. It looks really nice. Wow, very pretty. Wow, I did not expect this at all. I can't believe it. Look at that. So this is how it would look against the classic monogram right here. I was wondering if this one is the same size as this flower here, but it's not. This one is larger. So this is the comparison over there. Wow, I totally love it. So now the canvas feels very, very soft, and the bag itself is very light. I don't know what is your thought regarding the canvas, because look at that. This almost feels like leather right here. It is so slouchy, and of course I already have my organizer ready over there. Definitely you have to put an organizer because the interior is light, so you need to protect that. And wow, to me personally, everything on this bag is perfect. Maybe later on when I started to scrutinize this, I don't see any flaw at all. Everything seems to look great on this beauty right here. Wow. The bottom side right here, very pretty. Everything, the placement are great. So yeah, that's pretty much it, and I am very, very happy. I mean, oh my gosh, I'm still sweating. I don't want to touch the vacetta. I don't want to stain it, not yet. Actually, this one is priced as 2,770 US dollars, and it's not bad. It's not too bad at all. So another thing that I am actually curious about is the opening. Since the canvas is slouchy or flimsy, I would say, I think the opening is fine. It's not too tight though. So the opening seems to be, sometimes with my Speedy 25, the opening is very tight. This one, it's made up of canvas, but it's in a flimsier side. So it allows you to open the bag a little bit more. That's my thought. So anyway, wow, that's it for today, guys. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.